Hello, my name is Carla from the team Kurt+Carla. Our project is called GradDivide. The purpose of it is to display details of formal educational achievement paired with demographic information in Queensland. The information is grouped by suburb. At a glance, users are able to view a suburb's composition of their residents' level of formal education, gender, age, and the 5 most common occupations the residents are employed in. The level of formal education is compared with the Queensland state average for context. Users are able to view the disparity between suburbs as the landscape changes from metropolitan to regional areas across Queensland. The inspiration for this project came from the upbringing that Kurt and I have had. I grew up on a farm in northern New South Wales where my father is a 4th generation farmer. Kurt was raised in Hobart, Tasmania. We both decided to relocate to Brisbane for the academic opportunities it presents, where we both have been fortunate enough to engage in postgraduate study. The places we both grew up in valued education, with the difference being in the type and focus the education took. This focus goes hand in hand with the environment and resources available in those communities. Kurt and I wanted to highlight these differences to demonstrate and celebrate the differences in communities that come together to form Queensland. We hope that in accessing this, users are able to gain further insight and develop a greater understanding of the most influential industries and focus of education in each suburb. In addition to this, we hope that users of the general public and government alike identify opportunities to harness the residents' skills and knowledge so that they as a collective whole may be able to drive a strong and... Now to show you a live preview of our project. This can be accessed at graddivide.com. To get started, click the arrow. You will now be presented with a map of Queensland. Marked on the map are red clickable suburbs based on successfully paired data from our geospatial dataset and census dataset. Due to cross-matching variances in suburb names across datasets, some suburbs do not have data available. Suburbs coloured in red indicate available data. As you click around the suburbs, you will notice the name below the map update. This indicates data is available for that suburb. Click to find out more. Then you will be presented with the education page. This page shows a breakdown of the level of education and qualification for the suburb and how this compares with the state average for tertiary study. This example indicates the educational profile for Bowen Hills. Click again to view the most common age, income, proportion of males to females, and finally, the 5 most common occupations for the suburb. Here are a list of all the resources we used to create GradDivide. To have a look at our hackerspace, click the link at the bottom of the page. Thank you for checking out our project.